Hey everyone. So I was doing a demo today and I got a question about pay periods on demand. And so I wanted to show this in Payroll Control Center. And so I'm in the My Off Cycles application and I went to create a new off cycle request, type in my employee, I can select the reason. And so this is based upon what's configured in your system. You can see that for a regular pay period on demand, it chooses the next pay period. Then I can select the pay date, which is actually defined in the Manage Processes application. And so what you're allowed to have here. And then what you have this, and now it summarizes the employee, the reason, the period, and the pay date. And then you can press check request. And so what this will do is then run a payroll simulation and generate some payroll results. And so you have some high level information here. Here's the gross amount, here's the net. This is configurable if you want to see additional details. But you can also just press this expand button and now you can see their pay statement. So here's base salary, here's the taxes, any deductions or other things that will come out will be there. And so nothing is saved now, so I can still cancel this and get out of it. But if I'd like to, what I can do is press save request, and now what the system will do is save this payroll run and put it into the payroll results. And so now you can see that I have a new pay period on demand here for Patrick Rotate. And so then the idea is, I don't know, if it's a handful of people you have to run these for, you can run 4, 5, 10, whatever you have individually, and then the idea is you can process them together. And so the information is still here, and you can still see it. You can see the status. You can come over here and see the processing status, which is additional information, go back into the pay statement. But the way that this works is the next step for this, let's say I have 10 people and I run all 10 of them, I can process their post-payroll steps together. So if that's printing a check, I can do that. And so the way that this works is I go over to the My Process application, and then I would actually go to the upcoming off-cycle processes. And you can see right here, it has one request. That's the one employee I just run. And then I could start this. And so this would have the processes that we configured, such as printing checks, sending the posting to finance, et cetera, et cetera. All right, thanks for watching.